Homework 13, question 3. In this question we've got a trig equation to solve. Cos 3x minus 10 equals minus 0.4, where x is between 0 and 180. Now once again, because we got something more complicated than just a standard cos theta, I would replace the 3x minus 10 with a new letter. And my letter of choice is phi. And when I do that, I'll then change the limits that I used the question for. I'm using the substitution that phi is equal to 3x minus 10. And so if I plug that into my limits, 3 times 0 is still 0. Take away 10 is minus 10. And 3 times 180 is 540. Take away 10 is 530. And so I'm going to solve the equation cos phi equals minus 0.4 between minus 10 and 530. My first solution comes from the calculator. Phi is equal to 113.58. I can find another solution by taking that answer away from 360, which gives me 246.42. And I can find a third solution by adding 360 to 113.58, and that gives me 473.58. If I add 360 to 246.42, that takes me beyond 530. But I wasn't asked to find phi, I was asked to find x, and x is equal to phi plus 10 divided by 3. So I need to take all of these answers that I've just found, plug them into the calculator, and so the first one gives me 41.2, the second one gives me 85.5, and the third one gives me 161.2, all to one decimal place as required.